In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create statuses in ClickUp. ClickUp is an all-in-one productivity platform designed to help teams stay organized and efficient. With customizable workflows, you can tailor the way you track progress to meet your team's needs. One key part of this customization is setting up task statuses, which allow you to visually manage where each task stands in your workflow. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create, edit, and personalize statuses in ClickUp. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to www.clickup.com. Once you're there, log into your ClickUp account using your email or a connected social account. If you're new to ClickUp, you can use the link in the description to sign up and follow along. After logging in, you'll land on your ClickUp homepage. Here, locate the left side navigation panel. This is your main hub for navigating through spaces, tasks, and other features in ClickUp. Find the space where you'd like to create or edit statuses. Next, hover your cursor over the name of the space in the left panel. You'll notice a 3 dots icon appear. This is your space options menu. Click on the 3 dots icon to open the menu. From the list of options, select Task Statuses. Once you've opened the Task Statuses configuration panel, you'll see the default statuses set up for that space. These typically include statuses like Not Started, Active, Done, and Closed. These default labels are a great starting point, but you can customize them to better fit your team's workflow. To edit a status, simply click on its name and you can type in a new one. For example, you might rename Not Started to Backlog or Pending. If you need to add a new status, look for the option to create one and add it to your workflow. You can also modify the colors of each status to make them more visually intuitive for your team. To do this, click on the color icon next to each status name and choose a color that aligns with your team's conventions. For example, you might use red for tasks that are on hold or green for tasks that are complete. As you edit, make sure to maintain consistency in both names and colors across all your spaces. This ensures clarity, avoids confusion, and helps with clean reporting later on. When you're happy with your updates, click on the Apply button to confirm the changes. Then, don't forget to click Save to lock in your updates and make them visible to your team. And that's it. You've now successfully created and customized statuses in ClickUp, giving you and your team full control over how tasks are tracked and managed. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.